Hi, and welcome to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal. This is the brand new Fintastic 4x6 clear stamp set. I'm going to go ahead and stamp these out using my Misty and some black ink so you can see all of the images and sentiments from this set. I absolutely love that we have two new mermaids to use from the Whimsy Stamps collection, and there are such adorable critters like starfish, a crab, and some new fish. I absolutely love the font that they use for the sentiments. We have hi, you're fantastic, swimming by to say, and thanks. I love that you can arrange these however you want to personalize your sentiment for your project or card. So I'm going to go ahead and color these in and put them on a sample card. Here I've made my own ocean scene using these adorable new images and some alcohol markers. If you'd like to see how I put this card together, just come back later today here on the Whimsy Stamps channel. You can find links down below for all of the brand new products from today's release. We also hope you'll join us over in our Facebook group for more inspiration of how to use all of the brand new products. You can also find us on Instagram and Pinterest. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.